Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a DIY waffle mold to use for ice cream cones and other desserts out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a ball of some scrap clay, and I'm going to roll that out between two popsicle sticks. Then to make the squares in the mold, I have this little cutting mat and it has these gridded squares all over it. If you don't have one of these, you could also use some graph paper that's used in maths books, or even just freehand this part if you'd like. And I'm also using an old plastic card. Then just placing the rolled out clay onto the cutting mat. And then I'm using the edge of the card to press even lines in the clay, just using the grid as a guide. And then once the whole thing is covered, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and repeat the lines on this side. Now that it has all these little squares in it, I'm trimming off the edges so it's a rectangle. And going ahead and removing it off the mat and baking it using my package's instructions. And now it's ready to make waffle cones and other desserts out of polymer clay. If you'd like to see how you can use it, I do have some separate tutorials linked in the description box below from my channel. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!